Okay, this is my fiance and my brother trying to figure out exactly how to fire this off because it's so intense. And here's the witches behind me, if you could see it, that taped me dancing badly. And there will be retribution. There will be retribution. There will be retribution. Here we go. Oh, it will be. Think not. Here we go. We're going to do it now. And if it comes this way, we're screwed. Why you want it past me? Here we go.
Goes.
Wait, we don't know. What do you mean what yet? Yeah! Oh, it says not yet.
Oh, say
Can you see by the sun? Oh, it says not yet. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Show of work! Yeah! Bitches! Know it, live it, love it! Oh, it said, what's this for ya?
Oh!
Oh, little bit of spurt at ya.